Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for hands-on, real-world reviews of the best everyday products. In today's episode, we're diving into what might just be the best seat covers on the market right now. The Deckaly waterproof universal fit car seat covers. If you're someone constantly on the go, gym, beach, hiking, or just dealing with sweat and wet clothes, this product could be a total game changer for you. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes this seat cover so unique. First off, it's made with a 3-layer construction, and right at the heart of it is a waterproof layer that does exactly what it promises. Keeps your car seats dry, no matter how sweaty or soaked you are post-workout. That means no more worrying about odors or stains building up over time after a gym session, a trail run, or even a quick dip in the ocean. What really stands out is the choice of materials. The outer layer, the part that comes into contact with your skin, is made of soft towel cloth. It's incredibly plush and gentle, and you'll actually enjoy sitting on it. Now pair that with the anti-slip backing, and you get a seat cover that doesn't just feel good, but also stays put. No sliding around while you drive, which is often the biggest complaint with cheaper covers. The Deckaly seat cover is also thoughtfully designed in terms of size. It measures 29.5 inches wide by 56 inches long, meaning it gives full seat coverage from headrest to lower cushion. That's enough to fully protect your seat without looking like you just threw a towel over it. And it's a universal fit, which means it'll work for sedans, SUVs, and trucks alike. Installation is a breeze. Just slide it over your seat, fasten the adjustable elastic strap, and you're good to go. And let's not forget about maintenance. It's machine washable, so when it gets a little too funky, as it inevitably will, just toss it in the wash and it's as good as new. No hassle, no special cleaning products needed. When not in use, it folds up quickly into a compact roll, thanks to the integrated elastic strap. This makes it easy to store in your trunk or gym bag. It's perfect for athletes, beachgoers, or even dog owners who don't want to deal with the mess on their seats. To wrap this up, the Deckaly waterproof seat cover is practical, comfortable, and most importantly, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Whether you're dealing with sweat, water, or sand, this is a reliable way to protect your car interior without sacrificing comfort or looks. It's rare to find something this simple that solves such a common problem so effectively. So, if you're looking for the best waterproof, universal fit seat cover for your active lifestyle, this is it. Check it out, give it a spin, and let us know in the comments how it works out for you. This has been Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more honest reviews like this one. See you in the next video.